I'm Pamela Malkoff, and I'm so excited to be facilitating a retreat, and I hope that you'll join me. It's an amazing combination of digging into your subconscious and making art together as a group. Oh, by the way, I am a licensed therapist and a board-certified art therapist. I've been in the field for over 2 decades. This workshop is based on my book, The Creative Cognitive Therapy Method. It's a combination of cognitive behavioral therapy and art therapy techniques to really keep you focused on changing the things that are holding you back in your life. My program combines drawing and painting and collage and watercolor and sculpting, sometimes even journaling, writing, poetry, and yoga. I'm going to ask you to draw your inner monster, the one that stops you from having the life that you want. I want you to draw that feeling as a monster. Just know that everybody in here, including myself, we all have some monster inside of us. We are going to go deep. We are going to dig into your subconscious to change the way you talk to yourself. What would be the complete opposite, a word to represent the complete opposite of that yucky feeling? Give it a nice fold, a nice crease. We are going to dig into your subconscious. Can I give you some of my gratitude?
Thank you. Can I give you some of my acceptance?
I get some acceptance. So go ahead and exchange one of your...
And some of my relaxation.
Yeah.
Relax.
Can I give you some of my confidence?
Every time I do this retreat, we cry, we laugh, and we build really significant relationships because we share that we all struggle with the same kind of things. I hope you join me. It's going to be an intense couple of days, but it's going to be amazing. You will walk away from this workshop with tools to return to your life with a whole different perspective and different ways to communicate with yourself and the people around you and change the narrative about your life. And let me say one last thing. You do not have to be an artist to join me. You don't have to be good at art. You just have to be willing to try something different, to try something outside of your comfort zone. Are you willing to try something different?